Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr.Surabhi Sahney and you are watching Dr.Surabhi Sahney Dental Series and Medical Video. In my two previous videos regarding the subject of dental material which you read in second year of dentistry and somewhere somehow in first year of dentistry too as an additional subject. We have covered the two important questions. The first one is the difference between alpha hemihydrate and beta hemihydrate. And the second important question is there in my second video of dental material, that is the types of gypsum product. In this video, I'll gonna cover the manufacturing of gypsum product. A very important question for your theory exam. I guess जितने stars लगाए जाए वो कम है. So without wasting time, let's get started. The manufacturing of the gypsum product, there are four main ways by which you can manufacture the gypsum product. Begin with the first one, that is dry calcification. Second is wet calcification. Third is manufacture through the chemicals. And fourth is the synthetic method of the manufacturing of gypsum product. So we're gonna talk about each ways little bit in detail. The first part, that is the dry calcification. In dry calcification we have the gypsum, that is the calcium sulfate dihydrate, and its formula is CaSO4.2H2O. When the gypsum, or we can say the CaSO4.2H2O, is heated up to the temperature range that is 110 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, then it get converted into POP, that is CaSO4.2H2O. After that, if it is further heated up to the temperature of 130 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, then it is converted into the hexagonal anhydrate, that is CaSO4 only, and by this time the water is already removed due to the increased heating up to the 200 degrees Celsius. This time the water is removed due to the heating and we left with the hexagonal anhydrate. If we further heat it up to the temperature range from 200 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius, it is further result in the orthorhombic anhydrate, that is CaSO4. And if this byproduct is further heated above the temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius, then it will disintegrate and divided into two parts. The first one is the CaO, that is the calcium oxide, and the second part will be SO2. About the dry calcification, the first method of the manufacturing of gypsum product. Begin with the second part of the manufacturing way, that is the wet calcification. In that you have the gypsum, that is CaSO4.2H2O, that is heated at a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius, converted into the steam under pressure, and then it will result in POP, that is CaSO4.2H2O. This is the second method of the manufacturing of gypsum product. Begin with the third method of the manufacturing of gypsum product, and that is through chemicals. As you can have again the gypsum product, that is CaSO4.2H2O, with the help of the chemical, or we can say with the presence of the chemicals like magnesium chloride or sodium succinate, you can convert it into POP, that is CaSO4.2H2O. The last part or the last way of the manufacturing of gypsum product is through the synthetic manner or synthetic method. In this, if you manufacture the phosphoric acid, then there will be one byproduct, and that is POP, or we can say CaSO4.2H2O. So that's all about the 4 ways of the manufacturing of gypsum product. If you like this video, press the like button and comment down. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Along with that, if you have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. You can also follow me on my Instagram ID with the name Dr.Surabhi Sahney as shown on your screen. Thank you.